Hey everybody, this is Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, that's Jack.
Yeah, that.
And today we're going to do another quintessential Italian thing. Most people just call it colloquially spaghetti. We just call it, spaghetti with a meat sauce or meat sauce and pasta. Depends on what you're doing, but let's go ahead and get to it. So it's very basic. You get your pasta noodles, whatever you have. We got spaghetti, burger, which is like 73% burger, and some pasta goop, some old school like tomato sauce. And I think this one was like extra garlic or something.
It's a tomato and basil with garlic, I think.
All right, so let's get your skillet up to heat, right? You want to put it at about medium high. That's per usual. And this is our 73% lean, which means it's mostly, sawdust, but it's beef flavored sawdust. And then you just squeeze it out like the world's grossest toothpaste. Or best flavored toothpaste, I guess.
You're getting what you pay
for.
A
hamburger flavored toothpaste would work really well. Japanese probably already have it.
Probably.
And just wring that out into there. Oh, that is so gross. So while you've been doing this, you need to heat up your water back there, trying to get it to a boil. So medium high to high on that too. We had some leftover onions, like a couple of chopped up ones, so I threw them in there just for a little added color and flavor. This was like partly defrosted, partly frozen, and I just went ahead and stuck it in there and just kind of put it around. Now, like we usually say, if you're going to brown meat, that's what you want to say. You want to take and put the pink marks on the middle. Check your water. Occasionally, and to keep from pissing off everybody, here you go.
Salt it.
This is stupid. It's trying to make my heart explode.
Just making angry water.
So now, it's 73%, so it's going to have a lot of grease. So be sure to drain this.
Unless you want grease in your burger or spaghetti. I think I'll pass.
And then we take that and just put a little bit on your dog's food and you're good. Now you got a decent rolling boil here. Now you got to be careful when you put these freaking noodles in here. We only use half of them because they make a lot of noodles when you put them in here. But we did half of them. Now if they stick over the edges and you got like a really hot fire, like this one, it might catch the side of it on fire and it burnt dry noodles. It was a horrible, horrible smell.
You want to avoid that at all costs.
So I kind of put it over the other side of the skillet a little bit and turn down the flame a little bit. You can see where it's like sticking out right there. It'll start to burn. You got to be careful. So you keep stirring your meat a little bit. And as those soften, you can kind of just push them down into the pot and rescue the one that got away. Because you're too poor to let that one slide, right?
Can't let it go. You need everything.
And it helps with cleanup because burnt noodle is a horrible, horrible smell. Now, you finally get your noodles down in the pot. You get your meat browned, right? Like we were talking about. This is browning your meat. You can kind of see, take all the pink spots out, make sure it's all been touched on the middle. And you got most of your grease drained out. With that 73%, there's going to be a lot of grease, so you just got to keep straining it if you can. Stir your noodles every now and then. You don't want them to stick on the bottom because that gets all gross and like burnt.
Oh.
Now you can kind of see where this is nice and brown. It's nice, chopped up into some smaller pieces. Go ahead and turn that all the way down, like a low simmer. And get you your pasta goop, right? Now, like half a can will do you, but I like a lot of sauce on my stuff, and because I can't afford good meat, that's why I get that
2 cans. Got to cover up that 73%.
Well, it's a can and a half. We used the other half for the struggle pizza the other day, and I didn't want to waste it. So the trick is to put your meat in here, make sure all the meat's covered. What's that?
I forgot you did use half that can for the struggle pizza.
So I didn't want to waste it, and I already opened the other one, so I went ahead and put it all in here. But like half a can would be fine if you want it like lightly doused. I like mine swimming. And we add our green sleeve seasoning. It's parsley, sage, oregano, and
thyme.
The thyme, yeah.
Thyme.
Thyme, yeah. That makes me want to give impossible tasks to people that want to be my lover.
The seasoning's on the spoon again.
Yeah, I did that just to annoy Jack. Make sure you get on the spoon. Stir it, like let that simmer, and then you want to check your pasta. But if you want to reach in, and I'm going to show you this old wives trick that actually works and tell you when the pasta's done. But the damn pasta is hot, so I'm going to have to show you in a second. So we cover that up. Now, if you take the pasta and throw it against the wall and it sticks, it's ready. There you go. Now, don't leave that shit up there. You get in trouble if you get somebody to stick up there. So, don't tell anybody I did that either. I'm going to get in so much trouble. All right, and then strain your noodles. Use your holy bowl. And now some people will take and put the pasta and everything together and kind of mix it up. Some people will separate it It looks better in photos that way. That's what we did here. Mm-hmm. So that cost us like $3 at the most.
Dirt cheap almost.
And it fed me like 4 times, and I'm a fat guy.
There's still more in there, actually.
And a special shout out to Spaceboard Queen for helping us out over on the Patreon. I should set that up and look it up in the description. And there we go. Proper food cooked, super cheap, and for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, comment. Please subscribe. Ring the little bell if you need it. And that'll show us anytime that we post something. It'll show up over in your notifications. Perfect. Works out. If not, you can find us over on Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchens over there, or just here Tuesdays and Fridays on YouTube. We'll see you next time.